Hello, family. Saturday morning, first weekend, the house with Miss Ava, and we are just relaxing and just got done having brunch, and she is having a bad case of the hiccups, which is not a surprise because she had them throughout the time that she was in Nadia's belly. But we are doing really well, just trying to figure out our schedule and missing all the rest of our family abroad. So I don't know if you can see her with the hiccups,
yeah,
but it's pretty cute. Oh, maybe not. Maybe she's done. I think she might be done. Who's that? Miss Ava. Who is that?
Hi, Ava.
Who is it?
Hey, sweet girl.
Yeah.
Hey, sweet girl. She looks a little perplexed,
Yep.
but she's awake.
Yep, she is.
All
They're
right.
back.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
See ya.